I'm really excited and honoured to be here to be a part of this, and hopefully speaking to people from around the world we'll get a good idea of what we can do together to make a difference. I think one of the biggest things for me as somebody from the UK was that we never expected temperatures to get above 40 degrees, and then when it looked like it might happen, we thought it'd be something that would happen in years to come, and then suddenly it was happening now, and temperatures exceeded 40 degrees Celsius for the first time in the UK, and that was a really big turning point, that people realising that climate change is affecting everyone. I think there's a real danger that we see so many headlines in the media. There's this record's been broken, this is happening, it's all doom and gloom, and it's really quite worrying to see so much going on about climate change, and it is worrying and we do need to report it, but equally we need to try and find something a little bit more positive. We want to avoid the climate fatigue, we want people to be engaged and to do something about it, and so we need to spin it round and come up with solutions, be more proactive and take action. This is what we can do. So I think the main focus really is, we know it's bad, we know what's happening, what can we do about it, and let's do it.